person who is facing the disabilities is discriminated by the society. You can't do this, you can't do that, you are not worth to do this, you are not worth to do that, stay away and all that.
और हमारी सोसाइटी, कुछ हमारी फैमिली और कहीं ना कहीं हम भी एक तरीके से समझने लगते हैं कि ये हमारी कमजोरी है, इसलिए हम कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे और इसी के कारण हम लोग पीछे रह जाते हैं हर बार।
All disabled people have problems. Nobody is willing to give us a job, and we face a lot of ridicule from the world. But Dr. Reddy's foundation has given us confidence.
मैं मतलब अपने आप में कुछ यूँ नहीं समझता था कि मैं कुछ आगे चल के कुछ मेरे में प्रोग्रेस होगी। मैं बस यही सोचता था कभी जॉब मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, क्या होगा। बस मैंने कुछ डिसाइड भी नहीं कर रखा था अपने आगे के बारे में कि मुझे क्या करना है आगे, क्या नहीं करना, कुछ मतलब डिसाइड नहीं था।
Dr. Reddy's Foundation, a non-profit arm of Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, was founded in 1996 by late Dr. Kallam Anji Reddy. Through its flagship program, Livelihood Advancement Business School or LABS, till date has trained over 3,50,000 youth. The Livelihood Advancement Business School, exclusively for people with disabilities or LABS PWD, was born out of a need to develop market-driven skills among differently abled people who are often marginalized in the society and at the workplace.
In DRF, we believe that given the right opportunity and the right skills, the differently abled youth can be successfully placed in jobs and thus can lead a life of dignity.
LABS PWD is a 60-day program customized with inputs from industry experts to cater to the special training needs of PWDs. Since its inception, it has reached out to over 4,000 differently abled youths, placing them in suitable jobs. Presently, the LABS PWD program deals with orthopedically challenged and hearing impaired youth. The program starts with a well-established strategy of youth identification, mobilization, and counseling, which ensures that the truly deserving aspirants get the best out of the program.
They found out that while speaking to them and they speaking to me while conversation, they found out that I had a good communication skills, and they referred me to BPO sector. Yeah.
DRF currently provides training in BPO, ITES, retail, and cell phone repair domains. New domains will be added in the future based on market needs. Apart from technical skills, the aspirants also learn communicative English and life skills. Areas like time and money management, exposure visits, on-the-job training, guest lectures, among others, help the aspirants deal with challenges at the workplace and in their personal lives.
पहले बहुत सीधा था, अब तो बड़ा तेज बन गया है, हर जगह जाता है, घूमता फिरता है, तो इसे मैं भी देख के खुश रहती हूँ इसकी कि चलो कुछ तो आगे बढ़ा यहाँ से, जब से कोर्स करा है, जब से आगे बहुत होशियार हो गया।
थोड़ा सा फ़र्क तो पड़ा है, जैसे ये इंग्लिश से ज़्यादा डरती है कि बाहर जाऊँगी तो मुझे इंग्लिश में मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आएगा ये कुछ भी, तो ये अब कोशिश करती है कि मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा बाहर जाऊँगी तो मैं कर सकती हूँ, बात भी कर सकती हूँ और काम भी थोड़ा बहुत कर सकती हूँ। पहले इसको बिल्कुल ही बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता था।
The facilitators in the LABS PWD program understand the special needs of the aspirants and adapt their teaching methods to ensure efficient communication. Sign language interpreters are recruited at all centers to address the needs of the hearing impaired.
They were friends when we were free, but they were the good and strict teachers when we were at the studying time.
बहुत प्यार से बात करते हैं, काफ़ी अच्छा समझाते भी हैं और जितनी बार पूछें उतनी बार बताते भी हैं और हेल्प भी बहुत करते हैं। पहली बात है बहुत टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं वहाँ पर।
All the facilitators have been really helpful to me. There's a sign language interpreter who helps me communicate and I'm very happy with that.
Apart from curriculum-based learning, the aspirants also gain knowledge and perspectives by interacting and sharing experiences with fellow PWDs.
I found out that I'm not alone. I'm not alone. there are many people more severely affected than me. No? More severely affected than me, and they are still surviving. They are still surviving.
DRF is engaged in a constant process of sensitizing prospective employers to the special needs of the PWDs. Various reputed organizations have come forward to offer entry-level jobs in the relevant sector to the PWD aspirants who have gone through the LABS program.
In fact, the candidate which we have here, she is working in the housekeeping, and she is, learning right now, because we have recently hired her, and she is picking up very, very well. Okay, and I think she will do well here, and she will become a role model for the others.
So we do not consider Chandrasekhar as a differently abled person altogether. So we treat him as a normal guy. He scores the way other people do. We keep tab on him. His quality is measured the way others are measured from, and he is simply treated as any other normal person working over here. Handled properly, they can give results as you and me or anybody else, probably better than us.
The good news is that these people have shown real good results and have shown sustainability with the process, with the company. And I think so, all in all, it's something that we really go ahead and boast about in the market.
DRF Labs for PWD has 25 centers across India and aims to reach out to 5,000 youth every year. These centers are supported by organizations like Accenture, Amdocs, and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. The Vocational Rehabilitation Center, or VRC, a government organization, provides venue and mobilization support in few locations.
Dr. Reddy Foundation came as our supporter, a collaborator, because itself Dr. Reddy is an employer also, and when an employer comes as training provider, he knows what are the demand of market.
ఇంకా పీపుల్ని గ్యాదర్ చేసి ఎక్కడో ఉన్న వాళ్ళ పీపుల్స్ ఎక్కడో చాలామంది ఉన్నారు, అంటే లైక్ ఇంట్లోనే ఉండి బయటికి రాకపోవడం, వాళ్ళకి భయం అనేది, అరే మాకేమవుతుందిలే అన్నట్టు, అంటే బయటికి వేస్తే అరే లోకం మమ్మల్ని ఇట్లా చూస్తారేమో, సో బయటికి వస్తే ఏం కాదేమో అనే థింకింగ్లో ఉన్నారు. సో వాళ్ళని కూడా బయటికి రావాలి.
I want to show the society at the end of the day, when the TR reaches the top, that day I'm going to wave them from the heights. CTR has reached the top.
मैं डिसेबल्ड को यही कहना चाहूँगा कि कभी भी अपने व्हील पावर को डाउन ना होने दें, और जो भी करना चाहते हो आप हर चीज़ कर सकते हो। शर्त यह है कि आप उसको करने की क्षमता अपने अंदर खुद से पहचानेंगे। और DRF या ऐसे कई NGO जो है वो उन्हें इन सब चीज़ों में सपोर्ट करते हैं, तो प्लीज़ ऐसी जगह पर ज़रूर जाए और वहाँ पर जाके सीखे कुछ ना कुछ।